Want the ultimate dash cam for day and night? Today we're reviewing the 70mai A810 4K front and rear dash cam, packed with smart features for full protection on the road. This dual dash camera records in 4K front and rear, supports Starvis 2 HDR night vision, 4G LTE connectivity, and includes GPS, Wi-Fi, and advanced ADAS driver assistance. It also features 24/7 parking monitoring, AI motion detection, and time-lapse recording. 4K front plus rear recording. Ultra-clear footage to capture details like license plates and street signs, even in low light. Starvis 2 HDR night vision. Enhanced low-light performance ensures sharp video quality during night driving. 4G LTE and Wi-Fi support. Connect to your smartphone to view, download, or share footage anytime, anywhere. ADAS and AI motion detection. Advanced driver assistance and AI-powered motion detection help alert you to potential hazards. 24/7 parking mode and time-lapse. Records automatically when your car is parked, and time-lapse saves storage while monitoring. Crystal clear 4K dual recording. Smart features including ADAS and AI detection. 24/7 parking mode ensures constant protection. Full feature setup may take time for first-time users. 4G LTE requires data subscription for remote access. If you want a feature-packed, high-resolution dash cam that works day and night, the 70mai A810 is an all-in-one solution for safer driving and total coverage. Protect your car and capture every moment on the road. Click the link below to check the latest price and get your 70mai A810 dash cam today.